Welcome back to the channel. It's Academy Brothers here. Please help us to go to at least 10 views. We're going to be making videos where you cough and how you cough in different sorts of places between UK and Ohio. First, it'll be up Gideon in Britain. Then it's a high. Oh, sorry. You just had a little cough. See you later, guys. Make sure you have the lager.
Peace, guys.